Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough pizza. So let's get started. So if you've seen my sourdough starter video, you'll know that you end up with a lot of discard, and this is a recipe that will use it so you don't have to actually discard it. First, you need to stir the discard if any liquid has separated from it, and add it into the bowl of a stand mixer. You can just mix and knead the dough by hand if you don't have a stand mixer. And add in the water, flour, and yeast, and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Then add in the salt, and mix and knead the dough for 5 to 8 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then grease a medium bowl, place the dough into the bowl, wrap it in plastic wrap, and let it rise until doubled in size, about 2 hours. When it's nearly ready, preheat the oven to 450 degrees and place a stone pan into the oven while it's preheating. Any pan will do, but if you're not using a stone pan, don't place it in the oven. Then once the dough is ready, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface. This is enough dough for 1 thick crust or 2 thin crust pizzas. If you choose to do 2 thin crusts, then cut the dough in half. Any dough you're not working with, keep it wrapped in plastic wrap to keep it from drying out. Then with one dough, fold it a few times to help redistribute the air and make it easier to shape. And roll it out to your desired size. Roll it a little thinner than you want it to be because it will rise as it bakes. To get it onto the pan that's in the oven, line a pizza peel, or you can use the back of a baking sheet with parchment paper. Carefully transfer the pizza crust onto it. Reshape it if you need to. Then use a fork to poke a bunch of holes in the crust so you don't get any big air bubbles. Then place the crust on its own in the oven. Just carefully slide the crust onto the stone and bake it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, carefully remove it from the oven and add whatever toppings you like onto it. At this point, you don't need the parchment paper, so you can remove it from underneath. And return the pizza to the oven and bake it for another 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the oven, let it cool slightly, and then serve it while it's still hot. And that's how to make sourdough pizza. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.